This is the start of my day. Look at right after my birthday. I'm glad it didn't come on my birthday, all this snow. So we got about 3 more inches last. Hey everyone, it is lunchtime and I spilled something on my sweatshirt. So I'm having the salsa con queso dip, some 50% lightly salted, less salted Tostitos, and a Dr. Pepper. And this is what I'm going to have for my lunch here. If I want something else, I'll just heat something up or something. But, yeah. So, I hope your all Sunday's going well. And I thank you everyone for all the birthday wishes. I appreciate it. We got 2 to 6 inches coming to us. And we got like 3 inches last night. Dulce just loves the snow. These chips taste way better without salt. What's the sodium? 2%. So I'm gonna have this, maybe a rice cake, and that'll call it lunch. Oh, actually, no, I'm gonna have some birthday cake. Not a rice cake. It is 11:17. This dip is really good. You guys should try it if you haven't yet. Having me a Dr. Pepper. Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna get off here. This is what I'm having for lunch. I'll come back on maybe when I'm eating some birthday cake. So see you in a bit. Hey everyone, I'm having some birthday cake. It's marble, white on top, chocolate on the bottom, and cream in the middle. So let's do a mukbang with birthday cake. This cake is so good. Dulce is looking at something out the window here. This cake is bomb.com. Cake makes me want water when I'm done. Or while I'm eating it, I mean. so good. I love cake. All the frosting on top is too much, like all the purple. So I just take the big old clumps off. Alright, you guys, so I'll show you in the next thing that I do. Hey everyone, I just got out of the shower a little bit ago. I'm going to have a red delicious apple, but I have to wash it. I rinse my apples off. Never know what bugs or anything, what was crawling on them. So I got to get my apple peeler, which who knows where that's at. I'm thinking in here. If I remember correctly. No. It's not. In here. Apple peeler, where are you? Oh, like it's just gonna come out in front of me, right? No, that's not gonna happen. Alright, I have the apple on the plate and I found my apple peeler. So you just go, my goodness, this is hard. Gotta apply pressure here. Oh, this apple's kind of brown inside. Let's get a different one. That one's kind of brown. Sorry, I'm not going to eat it brown. I'll try a Granny Smith apple. Oh my goodness. You guys, this is not wanting to go. So let me try it a different way. There we go. Alright, this apple looks way, way better. And then the core in the garbage. There, I got my apple slices. And I gotta get my peanut butter. Dulce, no! No, no, no. Here. I buy the Jif Creamy. I usually like the all natural one, but this one was on special when I was making peanut butter balls for Christmas. So I'm gonna try it out here. See, that's the Jif I use. The Creamy. I gotta get a little container here. My little sauce containers. And a spoon. Put some in there. And now let's try it. Granny Smith apple with some peanut butter. Mmm. Oh yeah, that's good. That is really good. I have this too. It's old-fashioned caramel dip. And I'm the only one that eats the caramel dip, so I dip it. Alright, you guys, so I'm going to finish this. Giving Dulce peanut butter. It's good, isn't it, Mama? So good, isn't it? You ready for some more? Look at my baby. Look at her. Look at her. That's my Dulce. You gotta go get a drink. Hey everyone, I'm on live and I'm ending my vlog. So thank you all so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow. Dulce must be exhausted. Yes, she is sleeping. Hey Bradbury, hey Jenny. Laura Crafty Creations. Check out her channel, everyone. Check it out. Cindy. Hello. Bye, Diane.